Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video will be a complete digital marketing guide for beginners, wherein we will go on to discuss about a variety of digital marketing fundamentals along with other relevant topics. But before we move on to the session, if you like what you're about to see, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we will be going through what is digital marketing, wherein we would go on to explore about the various basics that are related to digital marketing, and a little bit about its history and how it became trending and in-demand job that it is in the current world. After that, we would go on to discuss about the various branches that the digital marketing is comprised of. After discussing the branches, we would go on to discuss about the various job prospects and scopes related to digital marketing career. Now, this could be considered as one among the most important topics for this session. So let's move on to our first topic. What is digital marketing? The promotion of brands using the internet and other digital communication channels is known as digital marketing, also known as online marketing. This includes text, multimedia messages, as well as email, social media, and web-based advertising as marketing channel. Digital marketing is most commonly used to describe advertising campaigns that run on a computer, phone, tablet, or any other electronic device. Online video, display ads, search engine marketing, paid social ads, and social media posts are just a few examples for the various formats it can take. With the aid of the digital marketing agency, you can connect with the current clients and potential customers by using digital channels like social media, pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, and email marketing and whatnot. And did you know that more than 3/4 of the Americans use internet every day? Additionally, 26% of the users are online almost constantly, and a staggering 43% log on more than once per day. So come in to think about it, what better way to promote your brand, company, or product than out there on the internet using digital marketing, right? So let's move on to our next topic. Branches of digital marketing. There are as many specializations within digital marketing as there are ways of interacting using digital media. Here are a few key examples of types of digital marketing tactics. Search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is used to increase the number of genuine visitors and the quality website traffic, and it helps to improve ranking on search engine results pages, or SERP. It is an effective marketing technique that helps businesses to bring in more customers through organic search, improve brand awareness, and get results under the budget. Pay-per-click marketing, or PPC marketing. PPC marketing is a form of online advertising in which the advertiser is charged a fee each time one of their adverts is clicked. In essence, you are paying for targeted online traffic. When PPC is implemented properly, the cost is negligible because each click is worth more than you are charged. For instance, if you pay $1 for a click and the click generates a $100 transaction, you have profited handsomely. Social media marketing. In order to develop a company's brand, boost sales, and enhance website traffic, social media marketing, often referred to as digital marketing and e-marketing, makes use of social media platforms, and users may create social networks and share information. And that is pretty much what social media marketing means in a nutshell. Content marketing. The goal of the content marketing is to create and distribute valuable, timely, and consistent material in order to draw in and keep the attention of a target audience and ultimately to encourage profitable consumer action. And hence, it is one among the most crucial specializations in digital marketing. Mobile marketing. Any form of advertising that uses a mobile device, such as a tablet or smartphone, to advertise goods and services is known as mobile marketing. It uses characteristics of contemporary mobile technology such as location services to customize marketing campaigns according to a person's location. And finally, email marketing. The use of email in marketing campaigns to advertise a company's goods and services and to reward repeat businesses from clients. Customers on your email list can be informed about a new product, deals, and other services through email marketing. Now let's see what our next topic is. Job prospects in digital marketing. One of the main areas of almost any company's overall marketing strategy should be digital marketing. No other branches of marketing offers the level of personalization that digital marketing provides. And there's never been a better way to stay in such constant contact with your customers like ever before. A company's potential for growth will become more apparent the more they embrace the potential of digital marketing. Hence, when it comes to the job scope for this domain, only sky is the limit. So based on our research, an average digital marketer makes somewhere around the north of $60,000 annually in the United States, where it ranges from somewhere around $36,000 to $45,000 to somewhere as high as $100,000 annually. So without any second thoughts, it's pretty easy to come to a conclusion that being a digital marketer in the current digital world is one of the best career options out there in the job industries at the moment. Thank you for watching. Did this video inspire you to advance your career in digital marketing? Then let our industry mentors guide you on your journey to becoming a digital marketing professional. The Knowledge Academy is the world's largest training provider for courses such as Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, SEO Masterclass, Google Analytics Masterclass, and many more. Visit our website to get details about our courses, get in touch with our consultants, inquire now.